Hello friends, in this session we are going to study some format specifiers and the width. There are a number of format specifiers like %c for character, %d for integer decimal, %t for exponential, %f for float, and like that capital L for double, long double. There are also a number of specifiers along with these specifiers. Now we will go and see some demonstration of this format specifiers and just this width and justification. Let us take value integer a is equal to 1. Printf /n %d the value of a. Again override the value a is equal to 1 2 and print the value of a. Let's copy it, paste. Now we will change the value again 1 2 3 and print 1 2 3 4, print 1 2 3 4 5 and print. Now save the program and execute it. Silly mistake. Compile and run. This is 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. It looks like justification, but when you will mention width, then what happens? Let's say /n %6d 6d 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 6d. Now what happens? Save the program and execute it. Sorry, %6d 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 %6d. Save the program and execute. This will be the execution of this width specified will be by default right justified. If you want the same to be left justified, after %sign print -6 -6 -6 -6 -6 -6. Save the program and execute. This is left justified, and when you eliminate this minus sign, this will be right justified, and by default it is right justified. Now what do you mean by left and right justification? Just see, left justified means the value will be printed from left side 1 2 3. If the value of a is 1 2 3, then it will be printed as 1 2 and 3. If the total blocks are 6, that is %6d, if you are writing %6d, the value of a will be printed as 1 2 3 and the rest will be as space. And right justified means the same value will be printed from the right side. Let's see one example of float. Let's take it as float. float A is equal to 123.456, and let us take the value 8 f 8 8 8 8 and all the values like f. Now what we are saying, we have given you a space of 8, and in that print after decimal nothing, after decimal 1 space, 1 2 space, 3.4. Let us save the program and execute. 1 2 3, after decimal there is nothing, 1 2 there is, these values are being overwritten, mark it as deletion. Now it will be perfect. Save the program. 1 2 3, and after there is no decimal, 1 2 3.5, that means the value after this 4 is 5 or greater, so this has been rounded up to 5. That is, the value for this 8.1 will be 123.5. Likewise 123.46. This says that on the whole 8 values, take 3 decimal places from the right side. This says from the whole 8 values, take 4 digits from the right side. This says from the whole 8 values, take only 1 decimal digit. If you want the same for left justification, place a minus sign. Save it and execute. This is left justified, and by default it was right justified. Now there is a question. This is a question of end semester. Write a printf statement for printing 573.423 using 8 places right justified and 8 places left justified with only 2 decimal digits. This is of 2 marks question. Please try it, and if there is any problem, then you can consult or contact in the group.